Madidelay kasi ako.
Go north, go north, go north. Go north, go north, west, go north, west.
Yan, yan. Thank you,
Come
thank you.
southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest. Southeast shock, southeast shock, southeast shock, come southwest, southeast shock.
Wanted dito na dito.
Thank you, thank you.
Good. Come southwest, make your space southwest. Healers don't be in front. Don't be in front healers.
Pangit ng mga dito.
Ito, okay lang to, good lang to. Mas maganda south screen. Left and quicker po. Okay, instep a bit. Instep, and hold. Instep, and hold. Come west. Don't be in front. Come west, mga pogi. Left and come walk west. Baka magkalo sa inyo. Kahit muna. Mawali ingat
Sige lang, nag-ano lang ako. Kinaano lang ko sila.
Spread lang kayo, spread.
Polymer po itong GA.
West, go west. Hindi yan, zero dude, put yung ina mo. Go north west. Reconnecting ka. Sige lang, pag nag-engage tayo, sabihin mo lang. Reconnecting nga, di ba? Go north west and spread.
Pastak lang. Maglalag ako.
Si Labserino ba caller dito? Nagko-collab si Labserino dito eh. Uy, Eagle, oh.
Si Megatron nag-ano lang dito, nag-healer lang si Megatron.
Spread. Oh, spread. Defensive shallow. Walk in. Micron 5, inside 4, 3, 2, 1, inside. Inside, drop everything inside, and spread. Go back west. Go back west. Yeah, go back west. Ready your gigapat. They're looking to counter. Spread. Ditang spread. Come west. Keep walking west. Help circles. Ditang spread. Hold them. Spread. Defensive. Hold on. Defensive shallow. Defensive east. Defensive northeast. Walk in. South. Micron 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Micron boys. Micron. One tap this shit and spread. Go north west again. Go north west and spread. Listen the boys. Go north west and spread. Ready yung gigapat ha. Spread. Okay, walk in slowly. Walk in slowly. Defensive. Walk in. Ditang set hold them. Everybody shallow inside. Micron 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 inside. Middle. Fuck man. And spread. Go north east and spread. Spread. Stop fucking doing it. Defensive. Giga. Heal and spread. Just spread. 5 seconds, let's go. 5 seconds. East Micron 5. Hold on. East Micron 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Notice, boys. Notice. One shit. Nice one. Spread. Spread again. Keep healing. Heal, make a play. Oh my god, one healer died again. Spread. Spread lang, boys. Spread. Defensive middle. Tayo pa wipe dito. Just heal. Go north west. Don't go southeast.
Go down.
Don't go down. Look west. We go deep west in 5. Go deep west in 4. In 3. In 2. In 1 on the choke. On the choke and spread. Just spread them, bro. They're looking to inside. Don't engage me. Defensive on my gun. Oh my god, guys, fuck man. Keep healing. Matay na naman si Jenny. Spread. Listen the boys, come west. Listen the boys on distance.
Wala akong magawa.
Sige lang. Go north is shallow 5, north is shallow 4, 3, 2, 1. Just shallow, boys. Shallow.
Ayun ang ano.
Come back southwest.
Yung iba.
Huwag kayo mag-brawl. Help breakdowns, please. Hello, fuck man. Go west. Defensive. Go west. Huwag kayo mag-dip. Season the boys. Come west. Namatay pa si McBulltron. Ayos na yun. Just spread. Come southwest. 2 healers pa naman. Marami pa tayong DPS. Come southwest. Just stabilize din. Oh my god, guys. Come south.
Heal niyo yung mga low, si Dr. Cloud.
Uy, heal nyo, guys. Hello, heal. Fuck man, heal.
Healers.
This is push. Yung isang switch.
Kamas.
Yung bedrock natin AFK, pero yung healer, hello.
Sabi kong, zero Jude.
Heal nyo to zero, Jude. Come southwest. Kite them southwest. Ditang south. Watch my south. Come southwest.
Mamatay to si Swish.
Keep walking southwest. Asa si Swish.
Ito sa atin, on top of us.
Ito.
Come
sa... Uy, wala akong sinabing Nandito lang yung crown nyo, guys, oh. Please, nandabas. Just spread. We'll play counter. Counter lang talaga tayo, boys. Counter.
Balik
counter.
yung bay ah.
Kamas. Ilan ba healers nila? Dalawa na lang din. Kamas.
Ayun, nawala na si Swish, okay na.
Okay na. Kamas. Stabilize. Kung sino una mag-push, dalawa na mag-hit.
Kaya pa.
Just spread. Fake din ako. 3, 2, 1. This is just a fake, boys. Fake na yan, boys. Fake na yan. Kabaktat na. Fake na yan.
Papulot ako dun.
Kapulot. Wala na. Hindi kita magpupulot. So yung pati. Come sa west. Heal in the front. Better matayo on the choke in 5. Ulit patay na. 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoever. Sino sa choke lang. Kabak sa west. Motherfuckers. Come back. Motherfuckers. Stop rolling. Come out.
Come back.
Thanks. Kambok. Hello, motherfuckers.
Wala na din si Seth Moon, by the way. Wala na tayo Runebreaker.
Meron pa tayo. Come
Ito lang pa, yung highest DPS natin.
Come na. Then spread. Defensive in the crowd. Now you walk in. Deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep, boys. Deep and spread. Heal sauce. Keep healing sauce. Heal sauce. Comes out. Huwag kayo mag-brawl. Comes out. Magkukumpulan kayo dyan. Huwag kayo mag-brawl. Comes out. Nag-aantay din sila, reduce sila.
Swash, heal yung si Swash.
Comes out and spread. Just spread behind the rock. Spread behind the rock. Now you walk in slowly. Dulukot mo yung kidya. Ready yung gigapata. Now you walk in. Kahit na naman. Position yourself northeast. Position yourself northeast.
Huwag mo na lang ako anin. Recharge.
Position yourself northeast. Huwag kayo mag-habol. Just spread.
This is Anshin.
Wait lang. All defensive. Putang ina, sabi ko sa inyo, northwest. Micron inside. 5, 4. Hold. Come in. Just walk in. We go deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep, boys. Deep. Push my RB. Deep. Aba. Sapat. Putang ina nyo. Nice one. Go northwest. Spread. Stop chasing.
They're still low. They're engaged.
Walk in. Patay na caller. Walk in. Walang GG to. Walk in. Katsuchukan. Patay caller.
Patay caller.
Eto nandito sa akin yung Gucci.
Paano tayo makapapatay? Ping. Pag may nabal
Dito
kayo.
sa akin. Ang daping, ang layo pala.
Patay niya, no? Walang GG.
Not up pag wala kayo nakikita.
Patay niya yan.
Meron.
Patulong.
Gagi na nakata one shot yan. Tara, Marbs.
Mount up.
Ginagang si Nice.
Putang ina mo, nanug-drop ako. Bulin mo step mo. Pag pinakawalan mo yun, kikikita sa guild.
Di pa ako nakapatay ng Gucci, oh.
Tangina! Tulungan nyo na kami! Tangina tong healer na to.
Southwest.
Dito. Blight. Patayin niyo tong Blight. Annoying.
Bro.
Patayin niyo tong Blight.
Just die. Holy fuck.
Pinahirapan talaga tayo. Survivor talaga siya.
Madali lang pala cooldown nito. Kaya pala. In combat yan. Kasi nag-kill yan. Bobo ko?
No.
Ayun, sinatalbok mo.
Ang ina mo, di pa siya namatay. Oh my god.
Stop playing with the food.
Dito yung caller body, oh. Megatron.
Puta, ida.
May loot pa dito, boss, ah. Pakuha ko.
Ito.